The ground starts to quiver. Glasses rattle. Soon, walls shift and everything begins to collapse. Telltale signs of what could be a devastating earthquake. We've seen the destruction they unleash. Some of us may have even lived through one. And we know they can be deadly.
What to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Before an earthquake. Know how to use the fire extinguishers. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Remove breakable objects in elevated places. Participate in earthquake drills regularly.
5, 6, 7 is the last number, Mom.
You must know the location of the emergency exit. During an earthquake.
When an earthquake happens, immediately drop, cover, hold. Drop so you don't get knocked off your feet. Cover your head and neck. Get under a desk or a table if you can, and hold until after the shaking stops.
Remain calm as possible. Protect your head and body from falling debris. Stay in the open. Get into an open area, away from trees, buildings, walls, and power lines. After an earthquake. Help those who are struggling to evacuate. Use the stairs rather than using the elevator. Check the water, gas, and electric lines for damage. As the saying goes, the best time to prepare for an earthquake is yesterday, the next best time is right now. This is only a brief introduction about what to do to prepare for an earthquake.